Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we have a BJ's haul. The kids and I just got back. We ran some errands. We have a dinner to go to with a friend, and so we just picked her up a birthday present, and the kids got some poppets and some stuffed animals. They are like all the rage, these little like fidget toys. Yeah? You're hungry? Okay. I'll get you a snack in a second, okay? I'll look at. Why don't you get a yogurt from the fridge? A Go-Gurt. So we just did like a random BJ's haul. Give me a second, okay? Why don't you have a yogurt for now? Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Oh. So I just did like, we needed some random things. Like we needed some ketchup, we needed deodorant, cheese, some lunch meat. We ran out of pasta and pasta sauce. We haven't had pasta in I don't even know how long. So, and we had it for the first time the other night. 6 weeks. Layton's been keeping track. I mean, I make like regular pasta, like plain pasta for the kids. Not downstairs with that, okay? You're gonna. Okay, don't make a mess. Don't forget a spoon. What kind of yogurt are you having? Oreo, an Oreo flip. So, we were just running low on some random things. So, I figured I would share with you our grocery haul. So, I'm gonna flip you around. I think I spent like $140 or so, but I used some, we have like the BJ's Perks Rewards credit card. So, I just buy all of our gas and all of our BJ's orders with that card, and then we just pay it off. But you get $10 for every like 100 spent. So I haven't used the points in a little while because I forgot. I don't know, honey. So I also got a big bag of dog food, which I can show you that in the garage after. But let me flip you around and show you what we got. All right, so over here is kind of like the snack area. I got some Rice Krispies. Everyone loves Rice Krispies in the house except for me. I don't eat cereal, but my husband and all 3 kids love Rice Krispies, and this is the best deal. I think this is like $5.99 for these 2 huge bags, and you can get like 1 box for the same price at the grocery store. So and there was also a coupon on it. I paid like $4.50 or something crazy for this. So the kids' favorite dip, chewy dips, granola bars. They absolutely love these, and we fly through these. So every time I go to BJ's, I get a case of those. We still have a good amount of snacks, but I just grabbed a couple of different ones to add to the mix. So we got some pretzels, because I'll eat these as well, and Pirate Booty. The kids love the Pirate Booty. So we got those 2. We got some yogurt. As you guys know, Layton loves yogurt. That's like what she lives on half the time. Thank God for dairy, because this chick... Oh, I forgot I needed string cheese. I totally forgot. I forgot that, and egg whites. So those are 2 things that are like staples in our house. So I'll have to run to the grocery store this week. But I got her this, which is much better than like the kids' yogurt. So it's the Greek yogurt, and she's getting some added protein. So I like to get this, and she eats it. So we have some Ready Whip for ice cream sundaes, and I put that on top of my strawberries. I was running low on olive oil, so I got a big thing of that. I got some lettuce for salads. Our garden is kind of, I need to plant some new lettuce because we have got about 7 or 8 huge heads of lettuce so far. And I think it's kind of nearing its end, so I need to plant some new lettuce. But I just grabbed some of this for the week and some of this Bertolli pasta sauce just for a quick meal. Got some baby carrots for a dinner and also just for snacking. This Hillshire Farm ultra thin honey ham. I don't usually like things like this, like deli meat in these packages and things like that, but I tried this and it is absolutely my favorite. Like, I will not go back. It's so good. This is the best broccoli on earth. They actually just raised the price. It used to be like $6 or $7. I think it was like $6.99 or something, and it's now like $8.50 or something, but it's still totally worth it. It is 4 pounds of organic broccoli, and it is the best broccoli aside from like farm fresh broccoli. So we got some bananas, got 2 pounds of strawberries, got a couple of pounds of green grapes, got some English cucumbers for salads and for snacking. What? Yeah, you can have a yogurt. Say hi. So like I said, some English cucumbers for lunch, salads, and for snacking.
This one?
Yep, that's fine. I've been buying this cheese instead of buying the cheese at the deli because it's a lot cheaper and you get 3 pounds of it. So with like burgers and all of that, this has been like the best price and it's really good cheese too. So I needed some deodorant. So there was a coupon for this one. So I got this Degree antiperspirant and deodorant. It's like a 4-pack. I think it was like $10 or something for the 4-pack. Everybody, again, loves mini bagels, so I got 2 things of mini bagels. We were running a little low on ketchup. We just opened our second one, but we fly through ketchup, so, and there was also a coupon. So I grabbed this just to keep in the pantry. We had no more pasta, so I got this thing of Barilla pasta. It has 3 boxes of tricolored penne and then tricolor rotini. So, and then this for the kiddos as a quick breakfast treat on their camp days. I don't usually buy these, usually make them myself, but they love these. And I know they're full of junk, so on a quick morning when I'm trying to get them out of bed and off to camp, that is their incentive to get out of bed. This is the dog food we've started to get Macy. This is the second bag and it has really seemed to help. It is like grain-free food. The turkey and sweet potato. So she was just starting to have like an allergic reaction on her skin and had like these weird spots. So I talked to somebody at the pet store and they said it seems like she has a grain allergy. So we tried switching her food before we took her to the vet and that really seemed to help. So this is the dog food that we buy. It's just the best price, the BJ's brand for grain-free dog food. Right. I am going to put all of this away and do a little bit of like ingredient prep. I'm going to wash the strawberries, wash the grapes, and get all those situated so that way they are ready to go in the fridge, and when they're hungry, the kids are hungry, they can just go in and help themselves with the fruit before I let them have like pretzels or pirate booty or any of that. So I'm gonna get that all washed up. They are waiting patiently to have pirate booty. So they just finished a yogurt, so I told them when they were done with the yogurt, they could have pirate booty. So we're gonna get that done and then just put all the other things away. Thank you, sir. Make sure you keep you get rid of all your trash, okay? So that is it for this BJ's haul. And that is it. And if you guys don't already, I've always have it posted down below. I have the Fetch. He's getting water. You all right? Tired? Yeah. We've been up late the last couple of nights. We saw fireworks on Monday. We went to a friend's house last night, so I'm just gonna put the air on. It's kind of humid in here. But I showed you guys this in my last couple of videos. It's not sponsored or anything like that, but I use the Fetch Rewards app, and right here, because like BJ's didn't give me a receipt, like they only gave me the email copy, so I always am so bummed when that happens. But they have, so like where you would upload the receipt, you click that. Not letting me, there we go. And it says snap, so you can take a picture. Can you guys see that? Let me flip you around here. There we go, that's better. So you can do snap to take a picture, and if you have like a printed receipt, you just take a picture of the whole receipt. And then this is e-receipt. So you link your email, and it will link all of your purchases. So like if you click on it, I already did it earlier, so I don't know if it will do it. Let me see. E-receipt, and it says like checking email. So it already did it today, so there's not going to be anything. And it also fetches your Amazon rewards. I'm sorry, your Amazon purchases for the last like 14 days too. So, and then you can use the, let me let it do its thing. Oh, it must have missed an Amazon thing. So I got another 25 points from Amazon. Cool. I don't know what it was for, but we'll go with it. So, once you get a certain amount of points, you can get like Amazon gift cards, you can get Starbucks, Target, CVS, Dunkin's, any of those places. And there's tons of them. There's Ulta, there's, I don't even know how many stores. Let's see, view all, if it says how many. It doesn't say how many, but like Adidas, Advanced Auto Parts, Airbnb, Amazon, AMC, all of that. And like I said before, what I save these up for, I save them up until Christmas time, and then I redeem them all and give these gift cards away for Christmas. So I'm not, it's kind of like a free way to buy Christmas presents. So that is my little tip there for saving money and helping you buy your Christmas present. You guys so much for watching. Make sure you download Fetch. It's in like the description box below. Like I said, it's not sponsored. I just love that app. It's just easier. You just scan the receipt. I also have like Ibotta and Dosh rewards too, and those are pretty good, but Ibotta is hard because you need the actual receipt, and you have to go in and you have to clip all the offers like beforehand. So I just like Fetch. It's a little bit simpler, and I just go in, and now I don't even have to have a physical receipt, which is huge because I've been loving for the past, since Corona, last like year and a half doing like ordering my groceries online and just picking them up. But when you do that, they don't give you a physical receipt anymore. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, I have all of those apps linked down below. So if you want to check them out, save yourself some money, get yourself a few Amazon gift cards, Target, all those fun places that we love to go to. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.